Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video where we will be exploring the vibrant shores of Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I am excited to show you the beauty and energy of this iconic destination in stunning 4 Kelvin quality. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the tour and want to see more like it. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Now let's start our journey on Copacabana Beach, one of the most famous beaches in the world. The soft sand, crystal clear water, and endless shoreline make it the perfect spot for sunbathing, swimming, and beach sports. As we walk along the shoreline, we'll witness the energy and excitement of this bustling beach. The lively atmosphere is contagious, with locals and tourists alike soaking up the sun and enjoying the warm waters of the Atlantic Ocean.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
In addition to the beach, we'll explore the surrounding areas, including Avenida Atlantica, which is lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants. Here, you can find delicious Brazilian cuisine and drinks, including traditional caipirinhas and refreshing coconut water. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts about the video. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to see more of my adventures around the world.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!